Today, we're making a timeless comfort food favorite classic meatloaf. Here's what you'll need for the meatloaf mixture, and don't forget a bit more ketchup for the glaze on top. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a standard loaf pan. In a large mixing bowl, combine half a cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of milk, and 1 beaten egg. Add the diced onion, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, parsley, salt, and pepper. Finally, add your ground beef. Using clean hands or a spatula, gently mix until just combined. Avoid overworking the meat or it'll turn dense. Transfer the mixture to your loaf pan, pressing it in to fill the corners. Spread 1/4 cup of ketchup evenly on top for a sweet, tangy glaze. Bake in the center rack for about an hour until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the meatloaf to rest for 10 minutes. This keeps it juicy. Then lift it out, slice, and serve. Serve your classic meatloaf with mashed potatoes, green beans, or your favorite sides. Enjoy this hearty, homemade comfort dish. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the kitchen.